I'm going to show you how to restrict any post type to logged in user only. So for that, we'll go to our local server, which is localhost WordPress, as you can see, and I'm inside the admin, and we will add some custom code for that. We're gonna go appearance, theme editor, and open functions.php. I'm using a child theme for this, so that if the main theme gets any update, these changes will not get removed. So we'll add this code in our child themes functions.php. I'm explaining the code right now. This is add action. We are adding this function in the WP head action, and with a 0 priority. We want this code to execute before any other code. That's why the priority is 0. And this is our function name. We are accessing the global post variable. With that variable, we can check the post information. So this is the condition we use to check if the user is logged in. If the user is not logged in and the post type is post, we will redirect the user to the default WordPress login URL, and inside this login URL, we are gonna give current post URL, so that when user logs in, he will be redirected back to that particular page he was redirected from. This is a very important thing. So you can copy this code and add in your child themes function.php and save. So we'll check how this works. I'm gonna check with a sample post. This one is sample post. Okay, we will try to access this without logging in, and you can see we are redirected to the WordPress login page. We cannot see post any post without logging in. I am trying to log in, and now we can view, and we are redirected to that particular post we wanted to view. So this is a very useful feature you are looking for. You can customize this code, and you can change the post type to post to from post to anything else. For example, if you want to restrict the pages, then you change this post to post, or any other custom post types. You just use the post slug in here. The rest of the code should be fine. And if you want to change the redirect URL, you can change this inside the redirect function. You can put hardcode your URL, or use any URL you want to redirect user.